What's up, everybody? And we're back to the video about scentbird. This is the second month, and we got a second fragrance, which was Mercedes-Benz Select. And this is the console that you're supposed to put your scentbird fragrance in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to set this up real quick. Okay, that's not gonna work. Just bear with me as I try to figure out how to open this contraption. Does it just pull out? Yes, it does. Okay. So, just for the viewers, so you guys didn't really see that. It was actually hard to record that and do that at the same time, but you just pull it out. So here's the one from last month, and this was Kenneth Cole Intensity. That was for November. And here's the newest one. Yeah, I'm right-handed, so I do everything with my right hand. But this month is Mercedes-Benz Select. And basically you just slide that in the top of here, and it goes in as such. And then hold up. What on top to this? I thought I had the top to that. Well, you just... Dang, I think I'm spraying this stuff right here, and I'm not trying to. Oh, well, yeah, we're good. You just turn the top to lock it in. So now we got our new scentbird, and we're gonna put it inside of our pouch, and that's how you keep it safe. Well, I mean, it's up to you what you gonna do, with it. But I keep it in my pouch because I wear a blazer, so I just put it on my inside pocket, pull it out whenever it needs to be used, But yeah, that's the mechanics to the scentbird contraption. Then you just throw that joint up in there and just toss it if you want, throw it away. But this was a preview of how to use the scentbird contraption. And it's just a monthly fee of, I'm not really accurate on how much it costs. It's probably like $10 to $15, but they give you a 30-day supply of cologne fragrance. And I think that's the best deal smoking right now. I mean, it's better than spending $100 to $200 a month on colognes, So yeah, like and subscribe to this channel, and you'll be updated to the new fragrances that we get every month, and more information about the colognes and the possible perfumes that we'll be getting. I guess I'm gonna get my sister involved so she can do the perfumes, and it's a wrap. This is a video done by your fearless leader, Gerald Butler, and have a nice day.